Introducing Paleo Diet Ebook. 32 ready-to-use and easy-to-follow recipes, plus 28-day Paleo Eating Plan. Get your 28-day Paleo Eating Plan, complemented with 4 weeks of grocery shopping lists, to help you on your way to a healthier life. The Paleo diet is packed with many health benefits. Weight loss is easy with a diet that is high in protein and low in processed sugars and carbohydrates, which is what the Paleo diet is. Feeling lighter and more energized, shedding food-related problems like allergies and digestive irritation, and prolonging your life by lessening the chance of serious conditions like diabetes from developing in response to incorrect metabolic triggers from poor quality modern food, make up other excellent benefits of the Paleo diet. Learn which foods you can eat and which foods to avoid. You will be surprised. Buy Paleo Diet ebook now by visiting yourpaleoebook.com.